together. What is your bunny doing? She is jumping in the grass. My doctor is hiding in the garden. That's fun.
Alvino, what is your favorite animal?
Chicken.
Chicken. Why? Why do you like chicken?
Because it is so cute.
You have chicken in your house?
Yes.
How many chicken do you have?
5.
5?
Yes.
Alright. What is your favorite animal? Cats. Why do you like cats?
Because she has the softest fur and cute.
Okay, what color is your cat?
Great.
Gray? How many cats do you have?
One.
Only one? Alright. Favorite animal?
I like cats
Cats. Why do you like cats?
because cat is very cute.
Do you have cats in your house?
Yes, I have
How many cats?
3.
3? What are their names? Okay. What is your favorite animal? Cats. Why do you like cats?
Because it's cute.
Do you have cats in your house? What color?